Did you know that you can duplicate your websites created on Lovable AI? And I'm going to show you how easy it is. So all you have to do, guys, if you want to duplicate a website, whether it's a website that you've created or any other website that you've seen here shown on the Lovable AI app, it's very easy to do. So what is it? Is basically remixing. It is as easy as that. So any website you come across, all you have to do is simple click and remix, and it's going to create a duplicate of that website. So let me go ahead and show you how to do it for one of those websites, or and also how to do it for your own. So let's say I want this project. I can hover over it, find the remix button. It's going to quickly remix and create a copy of that website. As you can see, it's currently remixing this website, and you just need to wait a couple of seconds for it to do the remixing, and you will see a quick version of this website being created. And you can go ahead and you can attach a domain to it. You can edit those websites, you can publish them, you can do whatever it is to it. Once you go ahead and you're satisfied, let's say you want to change the name of the website, you can always go ahead and you can rename it. So I can type the website ABC, basically that, click on rename. So let's say this website is going to call ABC. As you can see, it will be abc.lovable.app. And if you have your own custom domains, you can always go ahead and go to the settings, and you can go to domains and you can add your own custom domain from that website. But at the moment, as you can see, it's going to be abc.lovable.app. All you'll have to do is simply go to the upper right hand side, click and publish, and you'll be able to publish that website. Now, what if it's your own websites that you've created with your own prompt and Lovable has created that for you? I'm going to show you an example for me. So this is a project that I've created. Now, in order to duplicate this website, on the lower right hand side, you want to click the three dots here, and it's going to give you three options. You want to click the remix option. Go ahead and remix. It's going to quickly remix it, or basically quickly duplicate this website, and it's going to create a full duplicate of this website that I can go ahead and I can make whatever changes, I can play with it, I can do whatever it is. As you can see, it does the same. It's created a new website. I can always go ahead and I can publish it on the upper right hand side, assign a domain to it, or I can just simply go back and have it whenever I need to. So I'm going to go back to my home dashboard here and show you that I have a new copy of that website. And here you can see, guys, that I now have both copies. I have my original copy and I have a duplicate of this website. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and duplicate your websites on Lovable AI.